Hi mates, welcome back to my YouTube channel RAMS CAD. I hope you guys are doing well. So today we'll solve the practice problem number 1.8 of CSWA SolidWorks. So you can see all details given here and all the dimensions are there. So let's start making the model. We'll make this model in three parts. First, the center extrude part, then the top, and then the bottom. Alright. The length is 175 mm, width is 100 mm. Okay, we'll extrude it. The extrude is 25 mm. Now let's extrude the upper part like this. All dimensions given in the practice problem are actually symmetry. Alright, so we'll mirror it. So this one is given 40 and 22. I'll mirror this rectangle to all four corners. Okay. This one is also 25, and now in the bottom, here also it is symmetry, so I'll mirror them again, but this time it will be like differently, like this. So this one is 40. Okay. This one is 40 and 22. I'll mirror the sketch again. Extrude in the bottom, and the height will be 30 mm. Alright. So this is how our 3D model looks like. Now we'll cross verify the volume. The volume we got is 944900. And the volume given here is 944900 mm3. So the volume we got is same as the mentioned in the practice problem. Alright guys, so that's all for today. We'll see you in the next video. Till then, keep practicing.